What's going on, everybody? I'm Brian Daggett. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to do an overhead drum microphone shootout. But before we get started in this video, if you would, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, y'all. So as a drummer, I've experienced so many different kinds of microphones that I experiment on my drum kit. Well, I came across a pair of Earthworks TC30 match pair overhead microphones, and I wanted to give them a shot. So I've actually owned this microphone probably going on 6 or 7 years now. This microphone is absolutely incredible. You can use it on a lot of different instruments and a lot of different drums. You can use it as a snare mic, you can use it as a bottom snare mic, hi-hat mic, ride mic, overheads. You could use it on a guitar cabinet if you'd like, acoustic guitar. This thing has multiple uses. It's a fantastic microphone. I was reading on a forum, I was asking about overhead drum mics. A lot of people were talking about Beyer Dynamics MC930 overhead microphones. So I decided to pick up a pair. We are going to test this little guy with the Earthworks TC30. I did a couple of different microphone positionings for this video. I went with a wide angle, I did a XY, and then I also did the ORTF, which is a reverse X basically. So with that being said, I'm going to hop in there and give you guys some sound samples. So what'd you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm kind of torn because I love the Earthworks TC30. I've been using it for years. I have it dialed in, and it sounds amazing. It's an awesome microphone. They discontinued this model, though. They do have a replacement, which is the QTC30, but it actually has more of the shape of a QTC40. Either way, it's a fantastic mic. You can find them for about $1,200 for a match set on Reverb or any other website that'll be selling these used like eBay. I highly recommend you picking these up because it's an awesome microphone to have in your little toolbox. As far as the winner, I went with the Beyer Dynamics MC930. This thing is super clean and crisp. It's a lot more focused, and I feel like I can have a lot more control of my overhead spread and tone coming from these mics. Now, these things you can find online used for anywhere around $700 to $850. I think brand new, they're around $1,100. I could be wrong, but that's what I saw researching online. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you would please hit subscribe. You can follow me on all social media at bdags79, and have a great day. Peace.